Badwam TV so Adom TV so betwentwe media so dia o kansi on sempan sa kan adwada no pan so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono quantum coordinate some do sa kan no pan so e wo Ghana agudi eja so so mama say 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there hinta 7 say twan before din before twan kuma bia wodi ne kuma sa no manum tibo modern da open bet there ma nye 1xbet eno ne bet obitimi twa na boa emaniama etia kwedi ma Jeffers health mixture enso etia saba infections negative gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fita na so dipo a on setimi ka Jeffers edrubia ebetia boa proper harawa no mrebo mo etia di gina che koyeba shops na fi pharmaceutical shops ni nemu on sabetimi ka Jeffers mixture eno so ebetia boa emaniama etia tutoyi edia ma Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel fi pampas be pin wonase no edroba ko 2 yawase na eboa emotimi nya hoden no Sedimo gel and roll on ashama me market on sabetia ka bitema so on sabetia ka bi wono ato na boa emaniama etia tutoyi dia ma we mu ene sponsors omo techi aboa men no penso ye dia wo kensi wo sempan sa kanso etia jaw yen sebre ko edibide ni ebetia sa chirem WBO featherweight title itime ba so United States of America monten so na Isaac the Royal Storm Dugbe wono anene abrante edin ene Rubesi Ramirez etimi etwa kanku na afo mo so ma hoden hwe nanso uhwe 11 rounds omutimi de tintam so ekopie mo 12 France there's abrante edin ene Ramirez no won edin ye pa che Isaac Dugbe esibrim no e say about him Anafi Kumasi Asanoko and Najude Sum, Omochia to for 4-0. I was Sir Akinsi way with 25 matches outdoor and also at off him.
Mukwala Lamte. The Silva is onside. Yalfer comes in. He fouls the Brazilian. Foul for Sante Kotoko. Laye has reached this pocket. It's a red card. So, the second choice goalkeeper will come in to replace Laye whistles. Would it be a Japan? It is a Japan! What a beautiful goal! Wonderful strike from a Japan! Second goal in 14 appearances for Kotoko. What goals coming from the set piece in fantastic fashion. Now Mukwala. But here comes Nicholas Osebonso, who finds Lamte. Zeze. It's a good ball to find Osebonso of Kotoko with a chance. They are appealing for a handball, and referee has whistled and pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. Goal scoring prowess. Still on. It is Mukwala and he scores. Kotoko 2-0. Steven Desi Mukwala makes it 2-0 for Asante Kotoko. Joined his days with Inter Allies some 3 seasons ago. He scored a screamer against Hatsavok from his left foot. Here's Mukwala. Beautiful goal. Mukwala makes it 3. Steven Desi Mukwala. Clinical finish from the batsman. Uganda is on fire this evening. Kotoko have an outstanding game from week 21 to clear against Kim Faisal on Wednesday. Morrison, here it's in Fege, it can be 4, and the shooter scores his debut goal for Asante Kotoko. The Brazilian finally on the score sheet. He put the icing on the cake. The new poster boy of Asante Kotoko, Matias De Souza, the Brazilian, has scored. Maybe you'll be the next Brazilian the Porcupines will fall in love with after Fabio Gama left. Daniel Laye has waited for the end of the game here. Adi Babaya runs.
Nti Kumasi Asando after some pam said Zebo omo coach no ana omo Emma Abdul Ghazali ono ana bigina 9 na Western Mexico so she goes na 6s and 7s 4-0 against Rio Tamale United omo tie bia omo entianti after so di nkunim no o kire na GSM.
Technically and tactically, we have prepared the team very well to face Real Tamale United because We have seen how they have played. They have not been losing matches of late. So we made our mind that when we come in, we are going to go in all out in order to get at least first goal. Once we get a goal, definitely we will get it coming more because of the system that we use. We wanted to, like I said earlier on, we wanted to push more and get the goals. And unfortunately, luckily on our part, we had the goals, and then we end the game.
It's a quality for coach and the Adom Abdullah and so on. After 4-0, El Krokofon Sanono, or no son Kuma or Dijaidi.
I think the breakthrough came from the red card awarded to our goalkeeper. Looking into it, I'm sure if the referee should go and review it, he will change his decision.
Your goalkeeper touched the ball outside the box. That's why he took the decision he took.
Which part of the body did he use?
The hand. You don't have the benefit of the replay if you did.
So he has to review it. That's why I'm saying that if he should review it, he will change his decision on that.
How did the red card distort your plans and disorganize your side?
Yes, actually it disorganized our team play. The structure had to go haywire. In any case, it shouldn't have been this, but it has happened.
In the other results, it's PMO Ghana Premier League, Medina Stars 1, Tamale City 0, Kudukurias 1, Mediama 1, and Swatama 1, Bichim United 1, Karela Football Club 1, Samata 0, Great Olympics 2, Brekum Chelsea 1, Anafe Akala 0, and Kumase Kemfaisa 1, and Bibian became Humnia Haman 2 Ghana Hajamia Doma, Go Stars Beton Sera Lagos Cities, na also Eddie Abuboso into where Ghana Premier League with 25 center matches in Sequeno, and also some soccer crano, and Eddie Ejano. Maybe see dear Bansana Meso Soquash and Smam say, happy birthday, Kessia Pan and Koma Momi, Lady Reverend Christiana, Obapa, I friend say Emmanuel Akins. And I say, due to maybe I will be anti-mommy, Lady Reverend Christiana, fantastic morning and fantastic birthday. And come maybe I will be a mommy, Fanda down, say, come on. Messan so you say, Afiba, and so Echo St. Lucis, your mind in Quabana Sante, near pass April, with the 40th anniversary a birthday, and Yasam Kitwaka Huma, they say, a party Cassia Pate and Santu Joe Moshesono. Now, a pantan or the berry nama. Na obasa party bi Afiba say yemfa na se mo bia out in BPM or mine kwabana santenere the birthday in St. Lucis for my BPM no na any come na 44 kwa out misampa nipa any 44 ekushia erade ntina ni ma onye okese ifi bi ni da so ni fan ko bi ni da so me so asu sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment here untimi sister ayi say bi out of robatwe nkomo ode ba na yaka nsu kakra bi ene ne yaka nsu kra no ana ode ba ko so amafide no and that Adom TV so me dey the prof Ikiwala Sakudi catch back with Sabrina Masoyo.